in the next 7 days, we should think about this recyclable part, because right now we are just dumping them on ground and we're wasting the precious natural resources. If we talk of the states, it's the Gujarat which pollutes maximum as the figures available, then it's Maharashtra, and third one is our state, Andhra Pradesh. As far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, we generate around 1,000 tons per annum. Out of that, around 30,000 tons per annum is recyclable. These quantities are based on the figures given by the industries. But as we all know, because of obvious reasons, there is reluctance on the part of industries to share the actual information. And because of the poor quality of data given, Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board has taken a decision to re-inventorize the hazardous waste generated as per the hazardous waste rules which were notified in 2008, and develop a detailed geo-reference database for the industrial facilities in the state. Andhra was the first state to establish treatment, storage and disposal facility for hazardous waste. At present, we have got two TSDFs, one at Hyderabad and the second one being at Visakhapatnam. The first TSDF, which was called Hyderabad Waste Management Project, was established in 2001 itself as part of joint venture between Government of India and Government of Australia to operate on build, own and operate basis. The second one was established at Visakhapatnam, which was called Coastal Waste Management Project. In spite of establishment of TSDFs, the abandoned dumps of contaminated waste still remain a potential threat to the environment. Hence, identification of legacy sites and their management is one of the areas where we need to focus on. And also in future, we should think about the solution excludes the landfill option, or rather keeps it at the last. Because TSDFs are actually occupying valuable land where all combinations of hazardous waste are stored at one place. And in future, they may be a potential threat if not managed well. Today being Earth Day, we should ponder how to reduce the burden on our natural resources and take a commitment to recycle this waste to the extent as far as possible, because waste of one industry can be raw material for the others. We should try to make TSDs one-stop solution. Right now we are using only to dump and cover it. My idea is that we should allow them to recycle and further transmit the recycled material to the industries which need it. In the present project, Government of India through Ministry of Environment and Forest implementing and facilitating reduction of environment and health risks which are associated with legacy polluted sites. It also aims to build capacities at the central and state government levels and develop a framework to address issues in a comprehensive and systematic manner. First one being remediation of Noor Mohammad Kunta in Katedan industrial area, and second one being containment of municipal dump site at Kadapa municipality. The remediation activities at these two places has already commenced, and right now we have completed field investigations and finalized the draft remedial options. Actual work will commence very shortly. As far as Noor Mohammad Kunta is concerned, the investigations have revealed high levels of lead, zinc and other kind of heavy metals, dyes and TPH. In fact, the sediment of the lake, soil and some of the borewells in Katedan area have indicated high levels of benzene and lead. There is an STP on the banks of the lake which is not designed to treat industrial effluents. Upgradation of that STP is one of the components of this project. And it's not only this lake, we intend to carry forward our experience and implement the ideas in another two lakes, which being this Asani Kunta and Kajipalli tank. They also are polluted by industrial waste. As far as Kadapa municipality is concerned, the option for closure and containment has been already finalized, and municipal dump site will be converted into an eco park. Under the project, capacity building through training and knowledge transfer of the officials of central and state pollution control boards is one of the activities. We are here for the same as part of 1 week training program on use of modern tools to identify the legacy sites and innovative remediation technologies for contaminated sites. In order to understand the international process associated with containment and rehabilitation of legacy polluted sites, and also to understand how those experiences can be used in the Indian context, we have invited the experts from US EPA, European Union and national experts. I request all the participants here to interact and realize this opportunity fully for enhancement of technical skills in the area of remediation. I wish this training program to be successful. Thank you.